Today, we will use part-whole to build addition and subtraction fluency. You can see I have a model here showing part, and whole. I'm going to show you another model that uses the part-whole that looks like this. You can see here the whole is on top and the two parts are on the bottom. It doesn't matter which direction they go, but the part-whole model does have some rules. If the whole is missing, you don't know the amount, you add the two parts together to find it. If you have the whole in one of the parts, you use subtraction to find the missing part. Remember, in subtraction, you must always start with the whole, then subtract out one of the parts you have to find the unknown part. Let's use these rules to make our fluency of addition and subtraction a little quicker. So I'm back to my model, my working model. You'll have screens or slides where you can also build the concept of part-whole to help memorize and learn your addition and subtraction facts. Here I have two parts. There's 3 and there's a 4. I also built the model because I needed the help. Remember what I said? If you have the amount of each part, you have to add them together to get the whole. I can even slide this down. Whoops. I can even slide down my model to show that I'm putting them together or adding them. Here I've put the 3 and the 4 together, and now I have a total or a whole amount of 7, because 7 makes the total or the whole. Now remember what I said? Sometimes you get the part and the whole, but you're missing a part. How are you going to find this? Yes, this is where you'll use subtraction. You always start with the amount that gives you the total or the whole. So here I would start with an 8 because 8 is the total amount of counters I have. Then I will subtract out the 6 of the part that I do know. What will that equal? This model down here is probably going to help you solve. If I take these 6 off and I match it to what I already have, that leaves only 2 left. So if I have 8 and then I subtract out the 6 that I know about, I'm only going to have 2 left. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Whoops, 2. Good thing I checked my work. Now, when you get your slides, you're going to, of course, see this model. You can always go back to it to help remind you, if I have the whole missing, oh yes, I add the 2 parts. It tells me down below. If I have the whole amount and one of the parts, oh yeah, it tells me to get the unknown part, I have to take the whole, subtract out the part I know to find the unknown whole. Here's an example of one of your slides. Here you can see we have the total of 13. And there's a part that we have, which is 7. So I have 7 counters up there already. I wonder how many it's going to take to reach the total. Well, I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many did it take? 13 minus these 7 leaves me with, that's right, 6. Then you will type in the fact family. Good luck, boys and girls.